Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aisha and today I'm making a review on the new fabric cutting machine I just got. So this is me unpacking the machine, and the machine is not really heavy. It's not so light though, but it's not really heavy, so it's easy to move around. Yeah, it's easy to move around, and it comes with a plug to connect to the light and to the machine, and it comes with an extra blade. And I actually don't know what's in that injection. I don't know what that is. And there is something else. I think this is like some extra parts of the machine, though it's not needed as I'm unpacking, as I'm using it right now. So maybe it's just whenever I'm trying to change something on the machine later on. And I don't know what these are though, but they're extra parts. And as you can see, it comes with a manual too. And this manual is easy to understand. It's filled with pictures and labels. And I'm trying to test the machine right now. So you just plug and you connect the other hand to the machine like that, and you put on the switch. There's a switch at the side you're not seeing, I'm sorry. So you put it on, and this is crazy. Like, it's so sweet to cut. God. And okay, this is another video of me cutting. This is like 6 layers of fabric, and looking at this video now, I think I got my hands too close to the blade. I'm not doing this next time, so please don't try to get your hands too close to the blade because it's very, very dangerous. And I'm not so used to using this machine, so it's not so smooth, but I know later on I'll get it right. The blade is very, very, very sharp, and this thing right here can cut as much as 50 layers of fabric at once, or even more. I've not tried it, but I'm sure it can. I've seen some videos on YouTube too, and this machine is mwah. So I totally recommend this. 99%